look at developing stories this morning. Diane King Hall is with us, senior market correspondent here on Schwab Network, taking a look at the biggest story of the week, and that would be Nvidia today after the bell. Tell us a little bit about what people are saying, what you're watching for.
I know. I mean, look, some would argue that it's the biggest story of this earnings cycle. We've been talking about it, of course, all week and even ahead of this week. Even if you go back to Microsoft's earnings, that was when we started kind of bringing up that conversation again about Nvidia and where it stands in this AI boom. They've been at the forefront of it. The expectation is adjusted EPS is expected to come in at about $5.49 a share. Revenue is expected to top $24 billion. Both numbers would demonstrate huge growth, as has been expected, and kind of the pattern for Nvidia over the past year and change. If revenue comes in at that number, that would be a 200% increase in sales. If profit came in at that number, that would be a 400% increase in that number. One of the things that analysts are looking out for, especially because of the conversation yesterday with Amazon pausing Hopper orders because Blackwell is coming up next. Are we going to see any kind of slowing in sales growth because of potentially any of these other hyperscalers, for instance, slowing orders or putting off orders waiting for Blackwell? Now, Microsoft made sure to highlight Nvidia this week. Nvidia has Microsoft highlighted on its landing page today. So, you know, those two clearly have a close relationship. Again, the story we'll really be paying attention to is the growth story. Can it continue on this rocket-like trajectory?
All right, we're watching for all of that. We'll have that for you here, folks, right here on Schwab Network. All the details on Nvidia right after the closing bell. Thank you, Diane King Hall, looking at Nvidia.